Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The next few years are going to be huge for technology. To get you ready, we're diving into the top 5 technologies you should try to learn by 2025. These are the big ones that are going to change how we work, live, and see the world. So get comfy, get ready to learn something new, and let's get started. First up, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This technology is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and even think. It's already a bigger part of our lives than you might think. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the time you go to bed, AI is there, making things easier and more efficient. Think about it. When Netflix suggests a show, it's not just a random guess. When Spotify makes you a playlist, it's analyzing your listening habits and preferences. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, that's all AI. These virtual assistants are constantly learning from your interactions to provide better responses. It's looking at tons of information, figuring out what you like and guessing what you might want next. This process involves complex algorithms and massive data sets. In healthcare, AI is helping make new medicines, find diseases earlier, and even create special treatment plans for each patient. Imagine a world where diseases are detected before symptoms even appear. In finance, it's doing super fast trading, catching people trying to cheat and giving personalized financial advice. This means more secure transactions and smarter investment strategies. We're even seeing AI being used to make art, write music, and create faces that look just like real people. The creative possibilities are endless. Now, along with AI, we have machine learning, or ML. This is a subset of AI that focuses on the idea that machines can learn from data. Think of this as the engine inside AI. It's what powers the smart decisions and predictions. AI is the big idea of machines doing things that usually need human smarts. And ML is how those machines learn from information without someone telling them exactly what to do. This self-learning capability is what makes ML so powerful. With ML, we're giving machines huge amounts of information and letting them figure out the patterns and make guesses on their own. This can lead to discoveries and innovations we haven't even imagined yet. This opens up tons of possibilities for automation. From manufacturing to customer service, ML is streamlining processes and increasing efficiency. Repetitive tasks, looking at data, customer service, these are just a few areas where ML is already making a big difference. It's freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. As the technology gets better, we can expect to see even cooler things happen. The future is full of potential, and AI and ML are at the forefront of this technological revolution. You don't need to be a computer whiz to understand the basics of AI and ML, or to start thinking about how they might change your life and job. These technologies are becoming more accessible every day. There are tons of resources online and in libraries, from beginner classes to really detailed documentaries. You can start learning at your own pace, learn about it, stay informed, and don't be afraid to try things out. Experimenting with AI tools can be a fun and enlightening experience. The more you use AI-powered tools and services, the more comfortable you'll be with this technology that's changing everything. Embrace it and see how it can enhance your daily life. Let's jump into the future together. The journey with AI and ML is just beginning, and it's going to be an exciting ride. Next up, blockchain and cryptocurrencies. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. Let's dive deeper to understand the distinction and the broader implications. This can seem really complicated at first. The jargon, the technology, and the concepts can be overwhelming, but trust me, once you get past the techie stuff, you'll see the potential and the simplicity behind the complexity. You'll find a really cool technology that could change way more than just money stuff. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various sectors. What exactly is blockchain? Imagine a digital notebook, like a giant spreadsheet that's copied on a bunch of computers. This decentralized nature is key to its security and transparency. Every time someone buys or sells something, it's written down in a block of data that's linked to the previous block, making a chain. That's blockchain. This chain of blocks ensures that the data is immutable and verifiable. Because blockchain is spread out and connected like this, it's super secure. The decentralized nature makes it resistant to tampering and fraud. Each block is linked to the one before it with special codes, making it almost impossible to mess with the data without someone noticing. This cryptographic linkage is what ensures the integrity of the blockchain. Now, where do cryptocurrencies fit into all of this? They're like digital money that uses cryptography for security and works without a bank being in control. This decentralization is what makes cryptocurrencies unique and revolutionary. Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, was the first to use blockchain technology, but there are thousands more. Each has its own unique features and uses. Think of blockchain as the base technology and cryptocurrencies as one way to use it. But the applications of blockchain go far beyond just digital currencies. But blockchain can do way more than just digital money. Its potential uses are vast and varied. Because it's secure and transparent, it's perfect for tracking products from where they're made to where they're sold, making sure they're real and ethically sourced. This can help in reducing fraud and ensuring product authenticity. In healthcare, blockchain can be used to create secure and unchangeable electronic health records, giving patients more control over their own information. This can lead to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. Voting systems, protecting creative work, and even digital IDs can all be improved with the security and transparency of blockchain. This can lead to more trust and integrity in various systems. Blockchain is still pretty new, and there are challenges like making it work for lots of people and figuring out the rules. These challenges need to be addressed for blockchain to reach its full potential. But it's clearly a big deal, and understanding the basics of blockchain will be important for navigating the digital world of the future. As technology evolves, so will the applications and implications of blockchain. Stay curious and keep learning. The world of blockchain is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover. Get ready for a world where downloading a whole movie takes seconds, where self-driving cars drive perfectly, and where surgeons can do surgery remotely with virtual reality. This is the promise of 5G, the next generation of wireless technology that's going to change how we live, work, and connect. 5G is way faster than older mobile networks. Latency is the delay between doing something online and seeing the result. Think about playing an online game with a laggy connection. That's high latency. With 5G, that lag is basically gone, creating an almost instant connection between devices. This is super important for things like self-driving cars, where even a tiny delay could be dangerous. Besides speed, 5G can also handle a ton of connected devices at the same time. This is where the Internet of Things, or IoT, comes in. We're talking about a world where everything from your fridge to your car to your toothbrush is connected to the internet, sending and receiving information. 5G's ability to handle all these connected devices will make smarter cities, better transportation, and even healthcare that's personalized for you. Imagine a city where traffic lights change in real time to avoid traffic jams, or a hospital where sensors watch patients remotely, letting doctors know about problems right away. Building the infrastructure for 5G is a huge job, and some people are worried about the radio waves. However, 5G has the potential to be so beneficial that we can't ignore it. As this technology gets better and more available, it's going to make the line between the physical and digital worlds even blurrier. The future is exciting and challenging at the same time. Now let's talk about the cloud. Cloud computing is everywhere now, powering everything from streaming services to the apps on our phones. But what exactly is the cloud? Basically, it's a network of servers that store and process information remotely instead of on your own computer. Think of it like renting a super powerful computer instead of owning one. You use the resources you need when you need them, without having to worry about the technical stuff. This has completely changed how businesses work. Startups can now use enterprise-grade technology without spending a ton of money up front. Big companies can easily adjust their operations, adapting to changing markets quickly, but cloud computing isn't just for businesses. Think about the photos you keep on Google Photos, the music you stream on Spotify, the documents you edit together on Google Docs. All of that is stored and processed in the cloud, accessible to you anywhere with internet. This shift towards cloud-based services has also led to software as a service, or SaaS. Instead of buying software and installing it on your computer, you subscribe to a service that gives you access to the software online. This subscription model is more flexible and often cheaper than traditional software. Data security is a big concern, as giving your information to another company always has some risk. Data breaches and cyber attacks are a constant threat, and it's important to choose trustworthy cloud providers with strong security. Despite these concerns, cloud computing is here to stay. As we use more and more digital services, the need for scalable, accessible, and affordable computing power will only grow. Understanding the basics of cloud computing is essential for navigating the digital world now and in the future. Get ready, because we're about to enter the world of extended reality, or XR. This term includes virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, technologies that are blending the real and digital worlds in amazing ways. These innovations are not just futuristic concepts. They are here and now, transforming our daily lives in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. Let's start with virtual reality, or VR. This is the one that probably comes to mind first, with images of big headsets and immersive gaming. VR has revolutionized the gaming industry, offering players an unprecedented level of immersion and interactivity. And while VR gaming is definitely a big thing, this technology can do so much more. From virtual tourism that lets you explore distant lands from your living room to virtual concerts where you can feel like you're in the front row, the applications are vast and varied. Imagine stepping into a virtual operating room where medical students can practice difficult surgeries without risking harming real patients. This kind of training can significantly enhance their skills and confidence before they ever touch a real patient. Or imagine architects walking through virtual buildings before they're built, finding potential problems and making changes in real time. This can save time, money, and resources, making the construction process more efficient and effective. This is the power of VR to create immersive, interactive experiences that can teach, train, and entertain in ways we never thought possible. Educational institutions are also leveraging VR to create engaging learning environments that can make complex subjects easier to understand. As VR headsets become more affordable and the technology gets better, we can expect to see even more amazing applications. The future of VR is not just in the hands of tech giants, but also in the creativity of developers and users who are constantly finding new ways to utilize this technology. Next, we have augmented reality, or AR. Unlike VR, which puts you in a completely virtual world, Arkansas adds digital objects to the real world, changing how you see reality. This blending of the digital and physical worlds opens up a plethora of possibilities for enhancing our everyday experiences. Think Pokémon Go, the game that let players catch virtual creatures that appeared in their real surroundings. This game was a global phenomenon, showing just how engaging AR can be. But AR is way more than just a game. It's a tool that can enhance our daily lives in countless ways. Imagine pointing your phone at furniture in a store and instantly seeing reviews, instructions, and even other options. This can make shopping more informed and enjoyable, helping you make better decisions. Or imagine surgeons using AR overlays to see inside a patient's body during surgery, guiding their instruments more precisely. This can lead to more successful outcomes and quicker recovery times for patients. The possibilities of AR are endless, with applications in retail, healthcare, education, manufacturing, and tons of other industries. As AR technology continues to evolve, it will become an integral part of how we interact with the world. As smartphones get more powerful and AR glasses become more common, we can expect to see this technology become a normal part of our lives. The convenience and utility of AR will make it indispensable in both personal and professional settings. Finally, we have mixed reality, or MR. This is where things get really cool, as MR combines VR and AR, creating environments where real and digital objects can interact in real time. This seamless integration can lead to groundbreaking innovations in various fields. Imagine holographic projections that you can touch and move, or virtual objects that cast real shadows in your room. This level of interaction can make digital experiences feel incredibly real and tangible. The future of XR is bright, with endless possibilities for changing how we learn, work, play, and experience the world around us. As these technologies continue to develop, they will undoubtedly become an integral part of our daily lives, offering new ways to connect, create, and explore. And there you have it, the top 5 technologies to learn by 2025. From the incredible potential of AI and the transformative power of blockchain to the lightning-fast speeds of 5G and the limitless possibilities of XR. These technologies are shaping the future right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements and how they're shaping the future. See you in the next video.